By now you have probably noticed Meta AI inside WhatsApp. Instead of debating it, let's focus on something practical. How to reset the data it stores from your interactions. First, a quick clarification. Meta AI does not read your private chats. End-to-end encryption still protects your personal conversations. The only data involved here comes from your direct chats with Meta AI. What you can control. You can't remove Meta AI from WhatsApp right now, but WhatsApp does give you a way to clear what the AI remembers about you. Here is how to do it. Open WhatsApp. Tap the Meta AI icon. In the chat, type exactly this: slash reset dash AI. Then send the message. If you receive a confirmation message, the reset worked. And yes, we received it. This deletes Meta AI's stored interaction data linked to your account. Simple, quick, and fully under your control.